Greetings YouTube, my name is Stuart and today I'm coming to you from Shinjuku in Tokyo. I've been here for a few days now and I just really haven't had the chance to properly film yet, but today I'm doing some self-exploring and I'm in what is possibly one of the most photogenic locations, or so I've seen, and the name of the location in English at least is known as Piss Alley. I'll put in a full voiceover with the backstory as b-roll, but right now I'm here and I just want to get some shots and kind of check it out, see what it's like. Tokyo has been amazing so far, just such a contrast from anything else that I've experienced, you know, in terms of Asian megacities. Absolutely sprawling, very different to Osaka. You know, Osaka was a lot more kind of, almost you could say down to earth kind of small town, not small town, but small city feel. And Tokyo is just so different in that sense. Very clean, very modern. You know, you can see this is a world superpower city. So I'm going to go and check out Omoide Yokocho, as it is in Japanese. What I'm going to do is strap on my Sigma 30mm. It's a lens which I really haven't used, but you know, just taking it out in the time that I've been here, I've started to enjoy to use it again. So I think that's the thing with gear and lenses, you kind of go through phases with them. You know, just like 2 weeks ago I made a video about how much I loved the Sigma 56mm f1.4, which I still do. Yeah, I'm going to use the Sigma 30mm f1.4 today. I really like it for just these tighter, slightly tighter street shots. It adds just a little bit of compression because it's, you know, not as wide as my 20mm, which I'm using now. And again, which has been a fantastic lens for me, but just not suited for the purpose that I want to use now. So, time to put the DJI Osmo Action onto my camera. I'm going to go full POV. In fact, I'm not going to put it on the camera. I'm going to put it on my camera strap here, so you guys can get the full POV and take you guys around Piss Alley in Shinjuku, and let's see what we get. So, as fate would have it, the sheer footprint of Omoide Yokocho was just too small to really kind of cover, 30-40 minutes of shooting. So, inevitably, I ventured into the greater Shinjuku area and the iconic Shinjuku gates, and now pretty much walking around this main Shinjuku area. So really enjoyed it. I think it's definitely one of the more photogenic areas in Tokyo, if not the most photogenic. And that kind of wraps up this session of shooting. I hope you enjoyed it. Very, very chilled out, kind of overcast, relaxed day here in Tokyo. And I'm hoping to get more shooting in. I really want to utilize this time in Japan as much as I can, because this is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity for me. I don't really get the opportunity to come here just because of passport restrictions and that sort of thing. So really, really want to use this opportunity. For now, let me know which was your favorite shots. Just a very relaxed Monday afternoon shooting session here in Shinjuku, Tokyo with the Sigma 30mm f1.4, which I'm slowly growing to love again. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.